Explore the biography of the famous person in minutes. MrBeast. Early life and challenges. MrBeast, whose real name is James Stephen Donaldson, is one of the biggest names in online video. He was born on May 7, 1998, in Wichita, Kansas, and is the middle child in a family with 2 U.S. military veterans. His mother, Susan Parisha, worked as a military prison warden, which meant the family moved around a lot. This unstable childhood ended with his parents' divorce in 2007. Despite these difficulties, Donaldson developed a strong interest in making videos and entertaining others. Health struggles and a passion for video. As a child, MrBeast faced health problems, particularly when he was diagnosed with Crohn's disease at age 15. This illness made him tired and caused significant weight loss, leading him to stop playing sports. Instead, he focused more on his love for creating videos. He started his YouTube channel, first called MrBeast 6000, in 2012 when he was just 13 years old. His early videos featured gaming content, which helped him gain a small following. The path to fame. A major turning point in his career came in January 2017 when he posted a video of himself counting to 100,000, which took about 40 hours. This video went viral and helped him gain over 1 million subscribers quickly. MrBeast discovered a unique way to create content that appealed to many people, often featuring big stunts, contests, and acts of kindness. His videos include generous giveaways, such as giving money to strangers and tipping restaurant staff with large amounts, which viewers find uplifting. Business ventures and financial success. In addition to his YouTube success, MrBeast has built a brand with several business projects. In December 2020, he started MrBeast Burger, a delivery-only restaurant that quickly made over $100 million in revenue in just 7 months. He also launched Feastables, a snack brand that includes the popular MrBeast bar, which you can find in many stores. Recently, he teamed up with Logan Paul to create Lunchly, a packaged lunch product for kids, although it has received some complaints about quality. Personal life and controversies. On the personal side, MrBeast recently got engaged to Thea Boysen, a South African author and Twitch streamer, after dating for more than 2 years. He has even expressed a desire to run for President of the United States once he is old enough, indicating his wish to make a difference beyond just social media. However, MrBeast's journey hasn't been free of problems. Some of his past comments included anti-gay slurs, which he later said were due to his strict upbringing. While many people appreciate his charitable acts, others criticize him for using vulnerable communities for views. He is also currently facing a lawsuit related to his reality show, Beast Games, with claims from contestants about mistreatment and injuries on set. In summary, MrBeast has changed the world of YouTube and online entertainment by mixing fun with kindness. As he continues to grow his brand and explore new projects, he remains a significant figure in the entertainment industry, dedicated to using his influence for good.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.